Yeah. This one for the young bloods, from the streets to the village. Listen. Think twice, throw your life away. One bad choice can change everything today. Hold on, stay strong, hear your mama pray. Choose the right road, yeah, choose the right way. Think twice, keep your future clean. No drugs, no crime, live the life you dream. Stand up, be proud of where you're from, be a leader now, not another lost son. I seen brothers fall fast for $1 in a high, chasing fake street love, now they doing time. Cell doors closing, cold nights, no light. Dreams fade real quick when you don't think twice. Stealing from your own, breaking trust in the hood. What you gain in the moment never feels good. Police lights flashing, now your name in the case. Short road to the top, long sentence you face. Drugs tell you lies, make you feel like a king, but they poison your body, take everything. You think you're strong with the smoke in your chest. Real strength is saying no, choosing life over stress. Think twice, throw your life away. One bad choice can change everything today. Hold on, stay strong, hear your mama pray. Choose the right road, yeah, choose the right way. Think twice, keep your future clean. No drugs, no crime, live the life you dream. Stand up, be proud of where you from, be a leader now, not another lost son. You got land from your bloodline, that's power and pride. Plant crops, build wealth, put food inside. Not everyone got a rap, not everyone sells. Some build homes, some fish, some live honest and well. No shame in working hard, that's a warrior code. Better sweat on your brow than a judge on the road. Listen when elders talk, they survive the storm. Parents pray every night just to keep you warm. They raised you with love, with sacrifice and pain. Don't repay all that effort with prison and shame. Respect is the culture, discipline the key. Strong Fijian man is what you born to be. Little eyes watching everything you do. You the future example, they follow you. Stand tall in the dark, be the spark, be the light. One choice can change everything tonight. Being Fijian ain't just image and name. It's values, respect, how you carry the flame. You don't need a gun to prove you a man. You need vision, control, and a solid plan. The streets don't love you, they use you and leave. When things get heavy, they vanish, believe. But your family stay, village hold you down. So why trade real love for a fake street crown? Think long, think deep about the path you choose. Every step in life got something to lose. Be remembered for building, not the tears you cause. Be a good Fijian citizen, stand firm, stand tall. Think twice, throw your life away. One bad choice can change everything today. Hold on, stay strong, hear your mama pray. Choose the right road, yeah, choose the right way. Think twice, keep your future clean. No drugs, no crime, live the life you dream. Stand up, be proud of where you're from, be a leader now, not another lost son.